Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel where today is all about the most important dress of your life, the wedding dress selection, the perfect dress for your special day. This but is also an trying journey with possibility with so many any option available range from classes timeless style to mood unique design. Here is dress for every body to win. Choosing your wedding dress it is to factor such as your personal style, body type, and the overall of your fitting is to feel comfortable and confident on your big day, and your dress schedule reflect your personality and on popular trend in a decade is the wedding dress moved from floor fabrics such as this dresses. They are perfect for the home mean outdoor wedding day. Relaxed style elegance for these dresses make them a choice for brides looking for a light bed and wine inspired wedding. If you are modern bride, a sleek and simple wedding dress with minimal deletes is part of option. You can statement jewelry here a goal to some personality and spark to your book when it come to accessories. A statement jewelry is always a good choice. A long belted dream and elegance to your look will earning here a necklace can add some spark and personality in. Choosing your wedding dress is a personal journey that should make you feel confident, beautiful, and comfortable on your special day. Don't rush the prices and take time to try on different style. You find the on that with you. I hope you find this ideas helpful, and if you have any question here.
यदि उन्हें ऑफिस के ड्रामों से परेशान क्योंकि ये
Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel where today's topic is all about any question or suggestion please feel free.
Any suggestion, please feel free to leave Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am here to help you find the perfect wedding dress for you. Spell day. Your wedding day is one of the most important dress you will never, and it's important that you feel and beautiful and it with so many styles and designs to choose for. It can be, but I am here to give you some ideas and inspiration for the traditional ball gowns to modern sleek designs. There is a modeling eye there to match your personal taste and style. I have to gather a collection of different style and classes clowns so that every bride can find something that shows here perfectly. Each dress is made from luxurious fabric such as top, and this details will add a touch of glamour to your look and make you feel like through process on your bell day. Will your dress is on pace of your bridal look. Accessories like jewelry and hair piece can take your look to the next level. You can such a beautiful national look or flower for man. The possibility ideas are endless, and wedding the rigid accessories will give you a dress a personal touch. It is important to remember that dress can be examination, but I have also some more affordable open that style look stunning. The key is to find a dress that make you feel amazing and much it on of the best thing about dresses is that they come in a range of size so every bride can find in perfect. If you can find what you are looking for, any customization to make your address unique. I hope this video is given you some ideas and inspiration for your bell gown. I am so thrilled to dive into one of the most important aspects of any wedding. Please placing the perfect dress for the spell day can like I text, but fear of not I have to retain a variety of beautiful ring